Brooklyn Bridge, suspension bridge spanning the East River from Brooklyn to Manhattan in New York City. A brilliant feat of 19th century engineering. The Brooklyn Bridge was the first bridge to use steel for cable wire, and during its construction, explosives were used inside a pneumatic caissons for the first time. Since its construction, the bridge has become an essential landmark of New York City, an outstanding architectural accomplishment that is still revered across the world. Accordingly, it has been designated a National Historic Landmark by the U.S. National Park Service. The masterwork of John August Roebling, the Brooklyn Bridge was built in the face of immense difficulties. Roebling, he was an engineer, had developed his own method for weaving wire cables, which became one of the landing constructional components of his bridge design. He built a series of suspension bridges, including the cinematic Connecticut Bridge, later renamed the John A. Roebling Bridge. He died at the beginning of the Brooklyn Bridge constructions as a result of an accident on site, and his son, Washington Roebling. He was suffered a crippling attack of decompression sickness after taking over as chief engineer. Confined to his apartment in Columbia Heights, Brooklyn, Roebling continued to direct operations with the help of his wife. She was observing with field glasses and sending messages to the site with her assistants. A compressed air blast that wrecked a pneumatic caisson that was slowed the work, as did a severe fire that smoldered for weeks in another caisson. A cable that parted from its anchorage at the Manhattan site and crashed into the river, and the fraud perpetrated by a steel wire contractor that necessitated the replacement of tons of cable. At least 20 workers were killed during construction, and many more suffered decompression sickness. The Brooklyn Bridge, 486 meter or 1,595 foot main span, was the longest in the world until the completion of the fourth cantilever bridge in Scotland in 1890. The towers are built for limestone, granite and cement. Its deck, supported by 4 cables, carries both automobiles and pedestrian traffic. A distinctive feature is the broad promenade above the roadway, which John Roebling accurately predicted in a crowded commercial city will be of incalculable value. Upon its completion, Emily rode the first carriage across from the Brooklyn side carrying a rooster as a symbol of victory. The bridge opening day, March 24, 1883, was marked by much celebration and was attended by US President Chester A. Arthur. The building of it came to represent a landmark in the technological achievement for a generation. Its strength and grace inspired poets, notably Walt Whitman, Hart Crane, and Mariana More, and a legion of photographers and painters, including Joseph Stella.